So, to help my student who struggles with reading, I first did a pre-reading vocab. So, before the student starts reading the chapter or reading the text outline, I want them to just provide definitions for each one of these words here. A few of them are the people, and then, like I said, the vocab words there. I provided the page number so that the student can easily find it in the book, and I want them to write the word in their own, or write the definition in their own words. I feel like this will help while going through the text and also the text outline for them to better understand what is happening. Then I created a text outline. So what I did was I have like the headings and the subheadings, and I just pulled out the main parts, ideas in each of these sections. I did this so that it simplifies the reading as well as doesn't overwhelm the student with so much information. It's just the main ideas in each one of these sections. I also, as you can see here, the highlighted words, those are the vocab words and people that I had the student look up and define before we started with the reading. The reason I have them highlighted is that if a student is reading this and comes along the word and doesn't remember what it is, they can simply go up to their pre-reading vocab, reread the definition, and it helps them better understand what they are reading. Also throughout, some of the main ideas like had words in such as like seized or like retired and trades. In case a student who might struggle with a little more complex words and stuff like that, I provided a alternative word in there. So like I just kind of defined it in my own words. So seized, I put took, trades, jobs, and retired, stopped working, stuff like that, just so that they're getting exposed to those other alternative words, but they're also understanding what they're meaning without them actually being like vocab words in the textbook. So I did that for the length of the chapter there. And then afterwards, for my assessment, I have a multiple choice question section, and then I also have a cause and effect diagram. So for the multiple choice, in the directions, read each question, circle the correct answer to each question. So I illustrated what I wanted the student to do to circle the correct answer. I kept the options to just 3 different options, just so I didn't want to overwhelm the student with different answers and stuff. And then for the cause and effect, this provides a visual for the student of what happened in the reading. So in the directions, I want the student to either write or illustrate 2 causes or reasons that affected the fall of the Roman Empire. And in here I say that you can use your notes and outline to help find the causes. So the reason I did the write or illustrate, because if the student is struggling with writing, I want them to be able to still tell me what the causes are, and they can do that by just drawing them out versus actually trying to like getting stressed out, like trying to form the sentences and worrying about spelling and stuff like that. I just really want them to understand like the causes versus having perfect sentence structure and stuff like that. So that is the end of my activity here.